sale time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Yes, this is a true SS. You can tell by the style number on the data plate, cowl tag, and I'll tell you where to see that here just shortly. 327 powered underneath the hood, and is actually paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. This is an original ermine white car with ivory interior. You'll be able to check that out on the data tag as well. But first, let's check the chrome in this front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille shows well up here. Paint also shows well on this car. Be a nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. Power steering equipped and AC. AC blows cold, so nicely equipped car too. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see that engine bay, undersides, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. SS wheel covers, as you can see, white wall radials. Here's an interior, bucket seats up front, ivory or white vinyl. Red highlights with the dash, carpeting, seat belts, center console. Nice looking interior as well. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the rear. In the still pictures, you'll be able to check out the trunk. Again, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. As we get a look at the driver's side. When we pop the hood, again, you're going to see power steering, AC, Edelbrock carb, Performant EPS intake, manifold. So we'll check the engine bay out here just shortly. I know there's an aluminum radiator underneath there. An interior appears to be free of rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. Also shows well. Take a look at the headliner. Also in nice shape. I have had the wipers working, horn worked. Have not had the radio working though, obviously. Tachometer also works. Check out that center gauge. That's how easy that car started. Fuel gauge comes up, oil pressure, temp. Shouldn't see that. That was a cold start. It's a nice looking dash. 64, popular body style, no doubt about that. AC controls running right off where the stock ones would be. There's a little aftermarket gauge down there. Must be the temp gauge. They're going off on this particular one. All right. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy or over the top as far as exhaust. You'll be able to see the underside of the exhaust in the still pictures. Check out the pans underneath there. But first, let's slip up here to the hood, pop that, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. So give me a second, let me get it open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look underneath the hood. Nice and clean. Look at this tidy engine bay. Here's that 327. Again, Edelbrock intake manifold, carburetor, 4-barrel under there. Aluminum radiator, power steering, AC, good sounding and good looking engine bay. And a true SS, 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.